Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the Philips Hue Gradient Strip, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice.
What's in the box?
Inside the box, you'll find the Philips Hue Gradient Strip, a power adapter, a controller box, a user manual, and a quick start guide, everything you need to get up and running in just a few minutes. Installation. Start by selecting a clean, dry surface and remove any dust or dirt for better adhesion. Peel off the protective backing from the light strip and carefully press it into position. Connect the gradient light strip to the controller, then attach the power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Make sure all connections are secure before powering it on. The light strip is now ready for setup and use. How to pair. To pair the Philips Hue Gradient Strip, first install the strip and connect it to power. Open the Philips Hue app, select Add Lights, and search for the gradient strip. Once detected, follow the on-screen steps to connect it to your Hue Bridge or Bluetooth setup. After pairing, you can customize colors, brightness, scenes, and smart controls directly from the app.
Smart features?
The Philips Hue Gradient Strip creates smooth, multicolor lighting with seamless blending, allowing users to customize vibrant scenes for movies, gaming, and home decoration. It connects with smart home systems to provide voice control, scheduled routines, and automatic lighting adjustments for convenient everyday use.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Philips Hue Gradient Strip. See you in the next one.